What's going on, guys? It's Hy, and if you've been around a lot of older cars, you've no doubt seen some cracked dashes or interior trims, and this is likely the result of long-term sun exposure. This isn't much of a problem for modern car interiors, but it can happen. To help prevent this issue, we can use a product like 303 Protectant that, when applied, will provide various surfaces with a layer of UV protection. Before we get started, I should mention that 303 Protectant is labeled in a few different ways. You may see it as Automotive Protectant, Aerospace Protectant, or Marine Aerospace Protectant. Here I have it in a spray bottle form and pre-moistened wipes. No matter the name on the label or the format of use, if it's 303 Protectant, it's all the same stuff. The different names are just for different markets, but they all contain the same formula. So if you can only find one form or the other, don't worry, just buy whatever you can find. Use of this product is fairly straightforward. It's largely a matter of spreading the product on the surface of choice, then wiping the excess off. When I use this spray, I like to spray the solution onto a microfiber towel or an applicator pad, then wipe it into the surface, rather than spraying the surface and wiping it in. Spraying an applicator just helps to control overspray and not get the product on unwanted surfaces. 303 Protectant should be applied to clean surfaces, so depending on how dirty the surface that you're applying the protectant to, you may want to clean it first with something like an all-purpose cleaner or a dedicated interior cleaner. After you've coated the surface, just take another microfiber towel and wipe the surface completely dry. 303 Protectant does not dry by itself. If you don't wipe the surface clean and you leave 303 Protectant on the surface, it'll continue to sit there, and depending on how much you use, the surface may even look a bit wet and shiny. With 303 Protectant, extra buffing actually increases bonding, repellency, and longevity, so don't be afraid to get in there and really buff the excess off. I've been using 303 Protectant for a little over a year now, and it has become one of my personal favorite products. I use it as a UV protectant, but it does have other uses. It can repel dust and stains, and for those who have slightly faded black parts, 303 Protectant can actually restore some of the color. However, all of this is temporary. 303 Protectant only lasts up to 30 to 45 days, so just keep that in mind. One thing that I want to note is that 303 advertises this product for both interior and exterior use. I personally do not use this product for any exterior surfaces. From my experience, this product will run and streak if water hits it. I know that this isn't just me because I've seen other people complain about this too, so just keep that in mind. In my opinion, this product is really only good for exterior use if you live in a place where it never rains. Otherwise, just use it inside. Other than that, I really enjoy using 303 Protectant. It provides the interior of my cars with UV protection and actually makes them look better because it makes the surfaces have a richer, darker color, and all of this at a great price. This is definitely a product that I would recommend. If you're interested in trying out 303 Protectant for yourself, check out the links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and share this video. Comment down below with any thoughts or questions that you may have. Subscribe to this channel for more content. If you'd like to further support my work, consider hitting the join button below and become a member of this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.